abusing the other individual, be it physical or emotional, how frequent, how common is it when you are doing therapy, especially with the spouses that you attend to? How frequent and how common is it to see this kind of an abuse, and how do you help them? It is so traumatic that it could be husband who is kind of physically abusing under the influence of alcohol, or it could be the wife who has gotten into substance, alcohol, and completely neglecting the family and children. How frequent and how do you help them?
Yeah, so absolutely. We have had few cases where even women were addicted to alcohol, given men is busy working, making money. Of course, they have their own set of responsibility towards the family, and sometimes they lose out on giving time to family. So of course, we have those cases as well.